Hi, it's me, Mr. C, and thank you for joining us in our sixth installment of the course, our free course, How to Teach Your Toddler to Play Chess. Okay, the course that teaches children as young as 2 years old how to play the game of chess. And this is our sixth installment, and this installment is entitled The Rook. We're going to show them how to use the rook today. Thank you. Hi, this is Steve Colding from Chess for Children. If you're a parent, a grandparent, aunt, or uncle, and are interested in teaching little ones how to play chess, well, subscribe because we're going to create a whole bunch of videos to help you do just that. And if you subscribe, you will help us tremendously. Thanks a lot. The rooks, moving and taking. If it has a castle look, then you're looking at a rook. Rooks look like castles, little tiny castles, but it is important that we not use the word castle in referring to a rook. A rook is a rook. It is not a castle. Along straight lines, rooks do ride, up and down and side to side. Rooks move along straight lines. Rooks move up and down and side to side. Rooks are a very easy piece to move. They only move along straight lines. They move up and down or right or left. Rooks can move one square or many squares. Remember, a rook can move up or down or side to side. It is now time to challenge your child. Ask them to sit down, put the rooks on the board. Ask them to show you how the rooks move. If they do it correctly, give them points and give them praise. A rook cannot jump over a man. He takes a thing right where it stands. Rooks cannot jump over things. If it captures something, it must capture a thing on the square on which it lands. Rooks cannot jump over anything. Also, a rook cannot, of course, capture its own piece. So that means that rooks can be blocked. Now we need to put the rooks on the board. When placing the rooks on the board, each rook goes in one corner of the board. So the white rook goes on A1 and H1, and the black rooks go on A8 and H8. Now that you and your child have mastered how rooks move, captured, and can be blocked, now it's time to play the rook and pawn game. The rules of the pawn and rook game. Set up the board with the rooks and pawns. Whoever takes all the opponent's pieces wins the game. You can also win if all your opponent's pieces are blocked. In this game, if a pawn gets to the other side of the board, it doesn't change into anything, it stays a pawn, so it cannot move. Play the game many times until you both understand how to move the rooks and pawns thoroughly, and have fun. In video number 7, I forgot to tell you, video number 7 will be the bishop. Okay, thanks a lot. See you next time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or subscribe to the channel. It really helps us reach more parents and children. Also visit chessforchildren.com where you'll find additional videos, articles, and resources for young players. And don't forget to join the Chess Hero newsletter for free tips, activities, and updates.